At Grays Online this month we've got a very, very famous car. It's the Chicken Coupe GT Falcon hardtop. Now there's been stories about this car being bandied about for the last 35 years. The car was basically a one-owner car. It was bought as a demo. It was spent most of its life in Queensland, in fact up near Gatton. The car was parked up in 1988. The owner of the car at the time thought the insurance was getting too dear and the price of fuel. The car was parked in his chook shed from 1988 till just recently. Unfortunately, the owner passed away in December, so now Grays Online have been given the responsibility to put the car out to auction on behalf of the estate. Now this is a genuine RPO 83 Falcon hardtop. It is a 351 4-speed. It's still running the HO Phase 4 headers, the 780 Holly. It's got a Detroit locker rear end in it, 4-speed top-loader gearbox. Besides all the RPO gear, this car was also optioned with power windows, power steering, air conditioning, intermittent wipers, factory tinted windows, which none of this was standard on a car back in the day. It also got dealer fitted mag wheels, Delta wheels. And if you look, the rear spoiler, that is a proper genuine Ford aluminium rear spoiler. Now a lot of these were fiberglass, that's actually aluminium. They were black, but after sitting in the shed for so many years, all the black paint's worn off it and it's just back to bare aluminium. The car hasn't been started in quite some time, but we pulled the dipstick out of the car the other day. There's still nice fresh oil on the dipstick. The fuel still smells fresh. The car does roll, the brakes aren't seized. Look, it is a good, solid car. It does need a resto, or you could just leave it the way it is. But it's something very, very rare. It's painted in McDonald's Old Gold. That's the name of the colour. There was only 3 built in this colour. This is only one of one because it was a manual and had the RPO gear on it. It's a very, very special car, and if you're a Ford enthusiast and you love something super rare that no one else is going to have, this car's certainly worth a look. It's coming up at Grays Online this month. So go to graysonline.com and follow the prompts, or you can give us a call on 1300 Classic. But it is dead original. The engine has never ever been a part on this car. The tapper covers haven't been off the car. It is so original and probably the most original RPO unrestored car on today's market. So even under the bonnet, even though it's unrestored, if you have a look at it, it's still running the genuine Phase 4 headers which the RPOs came with, exhaust headers. We'll just pull the dipstick out here. Still got oil on the dipstick and there's no burn marks on the dipstick. Got the original carby on it. I don't think this engine's ever been apart. I think it's still all original the way it was from the factory. As you can see, it's got the huge air conditioning compressor, which was an option back in the day, power steering, and just tags have never been off the car. So although it's grubby and it's dirty and it's unrestored, it's super original, and this is the way most of the avid Ford and muscle car collectors like to get their cars. So it's coming up this month at Grays Online. Give us a call on 1300 Classic, or go to graysonline.com.